here, and welcome to my craft room. This is AuntDi's craft room, and here it is, the new Cricut Bright 360. Yep, Cricut has now ventured into what better item but a light. We all could use better lighting when it comes to crafting, and Cricut has you covered. This is going to be the floor model that we're unboxing. They also have a tabletop model. Really, the absolute only difference between the two is one's on your table, one's on the floor. They both have the exact same quality and brightness, and you're just gonna love them. Just love them. I've only seen them through my Zoom meeting with Cricuts, but now we're going to see one personally up close and front and get to try it. So I've got my Cricut X-Acto knife, or my Cricut knife, and let's get her open. Now, one thing I want to stress, okay, so one thing I do want to mention before I forget is they stress that before you put it together, because you've got to put the base together, it just snaps together, they insist, they ensure, but once it's together it cannot come back apart, so you can't ship it back. So be sure you want it. Better not order it at all if you're not too sure. And make sure you consider the space that is going to be needed for both the tabletop lamp and the floor lamp. For the floor lamp positioning, it is saying that it is a maximum of 39 inches wide across the top. It is 56 inches tall, and the base is 10.5 inches, and it has a 360-degree swivel. So you need a fair space for it to swivel, because there's the light on one side and there's, I'm going to call the arm on the other side. So let's get this pulled out of the box. Being the floor model, it is a little heavy, to be honest. Let me just drop this box there for now. But it says Cricut Bright, see more, do more. And I'm going to top it over or flip it up so I can uncut the tape that is on it. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Like I said, I know what it looks like because I've seen it. I got to preview it earlier before it was launched, but I haven't seen it in person, so I am ecstatic about that. Oops. Beautiful box. Comes very, very well packaged. Let's get the pieces out of the box. And each piece itself is not heavy. It's just, oh, there's the heavy part. It's the base. So let's put the base back here just for 2 seconds. Make sure I have everything. I think I do. So let's close the box, and let me just move it over here and out of the way for a few minutes. Stay there. So the first thing I always go for is the paperwork. So let's see what we got going here. Let's get started. Now, get to know your lamp. It is telling you the different parts. So, let's go over them. unbag this piece. There's my lighting. Good thing we're going to need some here shortly. A is the head, which is the lamp part. B is the arm, so this part. C is a slider control, so it'll be here. That moves. Do you see how easy that's moving? Like, that's crazy. You got stem, power input, base. Okay, so it says dial in the right light. Warm light, daylight. You can adjust the brightness of it. So you just get your light the best way that you need it. So you customize it to yourself. So all we got to do to put it together is we just need to click the 3 pieces. Now, like I said, when we do this, Cricut even made sure to tell us this a few times during the sneak peek. And that was to remind everyone, do not do this part if there's a chance you're going to return it, because you won't be able to. So, you've got your stick right here. I guess we're going to call it. We screw it on to the base. Push stem firmly onto base until it clicks. So I'm going to put it on the floor so I can give it a push. Okay, let's hope I got that. Now you just take this piece and we're going to do the same. I'm just going to put it on, I think. Maybe we should look at the instructions. I thought I had. Okay, so you push it down to click, and once again you push in to click. That's all it's saying to do. Click and click and click. Everything clicks. There we go. And that's it. It's done. It's on together. You rotate that. Let's plug her in. Let's plug this baby in and see what kind of light we get. Okay? Let's play a bit. So just reach over here to my plug. It's one thing, Cricut definitely packs things up well and very secure. So make sure you're looking for all the tape and everything that you're going to find. So let's get this light plugged in. Now, my craft room is not a huge space by any means. There, that's better. There's the plug, and there's the light. Wow. And this does not get hot. You're going to be able to put it on, your hand on it at all times. You can get it right down to where you need it. I love this floor model base. I wasn't sure. I thought it might be too big. Let's change the light. Do you guys see that? Can you tell that the light's changing? Dulled it right down. Brighten it right up. Yeah, so yes, this light is an investment, but it's a great investment. It's actually not that heavy. You could move it around. So I know I'll be using this not just in my craft room. I crochet also. So I guarantee I'll be using this to do that too. So yeah guys, don't forget to like all my videos, subscribe to my channel, comment, and use my affiliate links. This way, your purchases will help support AuntDi's crafts and more of my great giveaways. So until then guys, take care and get yourself one of these lamps. Bye!